In this module, I will discuss AutoCAD Basics. Here, we will cover getting started with AutoCAD, file creation process, screen display icons, and drop-down menu details. In your desktop, you will find this icon for AutoCAD. So, click on this, and an AutoCAD window will open. So, when you open the AutoCAD window, it looks like this. In this screen, on left side, you can see Start Drawing window. If you click on this, a new CAD window will open. You can also open any existing file by using these options. In the middle section, you can see the list of existing files that are opened recently. On the right side, you can see your login details and recent notification from AutoCAD. Once you launch a new DWG CAD window, it will look like this. On the top of the CAD window, you see all drop-down and sidebar menus. These are default menus, already selected as default setting. If you want to turn on or off any menu, right-click in the blank area and go to Show Tabs. Here, you can see that all these items are ticked by default. If you untick it, it will disappear. So for example, if you untick View, it will disappear. You can tick that again to reappear. You can also turn on or off these panels. So, if you right-click here, go to Panel, and untick the item, it will disappear. You can also move these panels from their position. So, for example, if you want to move this panel from here, just drag it out, and it will come out. If you want to place it at other location, you can place it there. Or, if you want to put it back, just drag it back. If you want to minimize these menus and tabs, just click on this arrow, it will minimize. If you click it again, it will further minimize, and you can go one step further and minimize it. This will give you a wider window to create the drawings. I hope you have enjoyed this module. In next module, we will discuss pan and zoom details, drawing units, command search, like points, line, circle, etc. Please read the disclaimer for your information. Thank you.